I had been hearing many times of his stories in Mahabharata also, Mahabharata and many story books also. So I had keen desire to see the place of Krishna, Karma Bhumi and Janmabhoomi. When my family decided to go there, my joy knew no bounds when my family decided to go there. I we were when we intended to stay there. We intended to stay in Vrindavan 4 to 5 days, so that we may see not see the see so that we may see not only the Mathura Vrindavan but also the Agra and other historical buildings, but also the Taj Mahal of Agra and other historical buildings of the city. So we were likely to have all our luggages out. We were likely to have uh, mm, uh, we were likely to have all necessary items like our outfits, snacks, refreshment, etc. And so on, which were likely to need our pleasure trip. We packed up all our on the fifth day. We packed up all our luggages and started for half an hour before the scheduled time of the train. We asked from our relatives here to join, but they couldn't. But they went to see of us. We went to the station by our relatives' car, and they went to see of us. And when we reached the station, there was a long queue on the booking window. Many people were purchasing their tickets. Many people were purchasing their tickets with so much difficulties. But we had no problem at all, because we our seats had already reserved through online e-booking. We entered the platform. We came to know that train was in the right time. There was hustle and bustle. We were waiting for the train, and the train at the right time the train came, and with the help of Fuli and my brother, we got on the train, and with our luggages, and had a seat. After some time, the train was started, and uh, we saw many factories and temples and bridges during our journey. My daughter was so much excited, because it was her first chance to go for a long journey. Train were passes through many villages. Meanwhile, we had taken our refreshment and snacks time to time. Thereafter, at 8:30, we had a supper, which was already with us. uh, actually, we had to reach the Mathura early in the morning, but we couldn't because the train was keeping after Agra station, and we got late, and we reached the Mathura at about 12 in the noon. Thereafter, we hired a taxi and go to Vrindavan because our room was already booked in the Keshav Kunj apartment in front of the famous ISKCON temple. We we reached our room, and we came to know that the person who had to given us the key of our room. He was he had gone to he had gone to the carnival of he had gone to the carnival. Papa phoned him and told him we were there. After some time, he came and handed over the key. Thereafter we had shower one by one and took some rest. Um, then we took lunch. We took lunch and took some rest again because there was opening and closing time of the temple. Because opening and closing time of the temple was fixed there. It was 4 to 8 in the evening and 8 to 12 in the morning. So we had to wait. We had to wait for this. At 4 o'clock, we went to the ISKCON temple, which is in front of our lodging. It was really huge and beautiful temple, and beautifully decorated by the bunting and colorful lights. We saw there in one by one. And firstly, we saw the Gaurang Nitai temple. Thereafter, we saw the Krishna Balaram temple, and then we saw Radha Krishna temple. The idol were very beautiful. And one more interesting thing which I would like to share with you, that on the upstairs of the hall we saw the a lotus, 108 lotus carved over there, that we had to put our steps and say Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And we should repeat it like this, and we go round. When we completed our one round of the hall, we should repeat this Hare Krishna 108 times, so that we may completed our one round. It was amazing and interesting trick of to indulge the taste in Krishna Bhakti. I saw there many foreigners who indulge in Krishna Bhakti. I really felt ashamed to see them, because before this I thought we were no we knew very much about our religion, but it was wrong. Though the foreigner are we are poles apart, but there we saw it makes no difference. They indulge in Krishna Bhakti. We realized that we are not even a drop in the ocean. They raise their hand and dance with devotion. So really, I felt ashamed. We again and again felt we don't know anything about our religion to see them. Thereafter, we hired a e-rickshaw and go the Banke Bihari's temple. It was that we went there after 10 to 15 minutes, and the rickshawala said to us, please please get off the rickshaw, and you had to walk. You had to take a short walk, but it was a long walk. We had to take a long walk, and we really saw Vrindavan ki kunj galiyan there. The temple was old but really attractive and beautiful. We saw the idol was totally black, and the diamond was shining in the on the chin of the Krishna ji. And one more thing, I felt very exciting there, which I would like to share with you. That when Pandit ji put chandan on our head like this, I felt a very cold sensation there, which I don't have word to explain. We offered prasad, and took prasad from there, and come back to the temple. And Radha Vallabh and Ras Bihari temple are also round the corner of Bante Bihari. We visited there, and Seva Kunj also there. There, in Seva Kunj, it is said when Krishna and Radha were tired to perform their ras, they took rest from they took rest there, and Krishna ji serves Radha ji. I saw the picture, many picture of for this. Then the closing time of the temple. So we should came back of our lodging, and we meanwhile on the way we took our dinner, and go to bed in the lodge. The next day we went to the next day on the gate of the Keshav Kunj apartment where we were staying. We hired a e-rickshaw and went to the Prem Mandir, which was built by Tapaluji Maharaj. It was really very beautiful, and it spreads in large area. It is near most 2 or 3 acres. the temple, we went to the temple after a long walk, and there we saw Radha Krishna human heighted temple, human heighted idol there. It was really beautiful, and in the upstairs, the Sitaram idol was also there. It was also human heighted, which I had not seen ever. And I saw the statue of the Paluji Maharaj, which looked like real, as he said there. Mm, uh, and in the campus of the temple, we saw many glimpses of the Krishna Leela. As we saw the scene of scenery of we saw the scenery of the Kaliyanath Vardhan, in which we felt that Krishna taught us the rod is the logic of food. And the statue and the statues were best of the best there. And we saw many glimpses of the Krishna Leela in the temple, as we had seen there. Govardhan Leela, where Krishna put Govardhan in the little in his little finger, when Indra went banana to the subjects of Vrindavan Vasi, due to her due to they didn't worship the Indra, and they worship the Govardhan in the place of Indra. So Krishna ji taught that protector is greater than slayer. That we in the Prem Mandir, almost we can see all the Vrindavan and the Mathura. And we went thereafter we went back. We came out the temple and went ahead for the Chatikara road, which is on the way of Prem Mandir, and there the lotus temple of Radha Krishna, which was built by which was built by sir, I forgotten who always pleased us in the television, as we saw the name, as we have seen again and again. Long hair of the Baba.
Shri Ravi Shankar.
No, sir. It is
Asharam Babu.
no, sir. No. Actually, last year he inaugurated that mandir. He came.
Kripalu Maharaj.
Kripaluji Maharaj built his Prem Mandir, sir. And
Okay, XYZ.
I will tell you it was really a beautiful temple where there Thakurji was in the temple was in the shape of lotus, and the light was blinking, colorful light was blinking there. Uh, and then we went ahead for many temples, and there was also the there was also the Vaishno Devi Mandir also. There was a huge statue of Durga Ma. I think it was near about 10 to 15 feet, as we have seen in Kachna city of Sangarji. And then we came back to the lodge, to our lodge, and had our supper. Because actually in Vrindavan there are almost 5,000 temples, which is not possible to visit there. Next day we hired a taxi. After much higgling, we hired a taxi to go Mathura and Agra to visit the Taj Mahal and Mathura's temple. On the way we stayed in Mathura, and we saw the Pagla Baba Ashram, and it was seven stories temple, and the idol of there is best of the best there. And we went ahead for many temples there, and we had to go. Actually, we had to go Agra to visit the Taj Mahal. I had heard much about the praises of the Taj Mahal through my friends or relatives and colleagues. So I had keen desire to go there. The monument of the Mumtaz Mahal. It was first time. It was my first chance to visit the Agra. So how could I resist my temptation to how could I resist my temptation to see the Taj of whose beauty and charm, which I had been hearing so much since my childhood. We went the we it is Taj Mahal was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. And it is said that it took 22 years to build the Taj, and 22,000 workers were employed to build this monument. We reached the Agra at about 10 o'clock in the morning, and we purchased. There was a long queue on the big booking window, and we purchased the ticket. It was 40 rupees per day for Indians and 500 rupees for foreigners. We had our tickets, and went ahead to see the Taj. We took with our pleasant long walk to the garden, in which we saw long dark cypress trees in the garden. There stood before us is there stood before us the wonder of the world. It was made of white marble and white marble tomb in the center, and the minarets the minarets of the corner, in the center the tomb was standing there. We For a distance, Taj Mahal looks very small and delicate, like a fairy place. But as we get nearer, it looks how solid and large it is. And we went inside. Then when we went inside, we saw the marble tomb there, and it was beautifully carved by the precious stone, and the when we saw the real tomb to get our lower steps, where the Mumtaz lies, where the Mumtaz buries lies there, and we thought the queen and the king who made this famous world famous tomb to make it immortal. We when we went inside and saw the hall, it was not big, and the hall and its screens were decorated by the precious stones and carved the inscription of Qurans. And it was really amazing for us, and we took some pictures also, and there outside of the Taj Mahal. I stood at the bank of the river with my daughter, and the Taj Mahal, Taj reflects on the water of the Jamuna. It was really beautiful scene. And then we after visiting there, we came outside, and get on our taxi and go back, but we also wanted to visit the Lal Killa, but we couldn't, because my mother father was not feeling well. And we 1 to 2 hours during 1 to 2 hours we came back of our lodge and took rest. We stayed in Vrindavan, so we had to came back there. And we were one strange thing was there, that the drinking water was salty there, so we were not okay with it. And we are not feeling well, and our stomach were not in a fix that we should continue our pilgrimage ahead or not. But I felt, but suddenly my brother came and he left no stone unturned to look after us. And we were feeling good to take medicine. After one day, we went ahead our pilgrimage. That we hired also again hired a taxi after much healing and went for Gokul and many other Gokul, Nandgaon and Gokul, Nandgaon and many other places. There we saw the real Gokul as we have seen in televisions. Televisions of Krishna. We have seen in television serials. And there was when we went to the Nandgaon, it is stop on it is on the hill, and we after much struggling we reached there. So I felt really no pains, no gains. On the one hand, I thought on the one hand Krishna ji was giving our examination, and on the other hand he is solving our problem also. He was showing the path so that we had a glance of their leelas and we had a glance of his places. We went to the Govardhan Parikrama, but actually the Parikrama was the 14th course. It is called 14 कोस की परिक्रमा, but we couldn't walk this parikrama by our feet. So we had to take a taxi also. And there we completed our parikrama. On the road I saw a foreigner who was completing his parikrama by his bare feet. Again I felt ashamed because they indulge in Krishna Bhakti, which I think we can't. And we completed our Govardhan Parikrama, which we felt earlier that we couldn't do our Parikrama, our Govardhan Parikrama. But it was Krishna blessing that I think where there is a will, there is a way. So Krishna ji, I thought Krishna ji was solving our problem, and we on the one day we completed our whole journey, and it was really significant for us. Actually, this trip has both historical and spiritual importance. We felt spiritually good there, and I had no word to I had no word to explain.